Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's install Bluestacks for Windows 11. Now this is going to be my Microsoft Edge browser. If you're using a Google Chrome browser, that's perfectly fine. In here, just type on Google, like so, and in Google, type in Bluestacks. Alright, so the first result should be the one you're using. Click on that one right there, but take note there are going to be a lot of fake websites out there. I suggest utilize this NordVPN checker, or rather link checker, meaning just take the website link, paste it right there, click on analyze, and Nord will know if it's good to use. Now, this is BlueStacks. Click on download button right there, and basically click on the file, run it. So just click on the file, and this is how it should look like. You can change the location on that option right there. For example, I'm going to change it to my other location, like so, and basically click on install now. Wait for it to finish, and you have successfully installed BlueStacks for your Windows 11. And that's it.